Welcome! In this video I will show you how to change wallpaper on your LENOVO Ideapad C340 laptop. So to select a new wallpaper you have to press the start button, go into the settings and then go into the personalization section, then go into the background tab, and then here you can select to personalize your background. So you can either choose a single picture to be displayed in the background of your device. You can choose a photo from your file explorer right here. For example, I can pick a screenshot and set it as my background. This looks kind of weird, but you get the idea, I hope. And you can choose a fit for your image, so you can either fill the space with the image. You can fit the image to the space. You can stretch it so that it will be slightly stretched, and you can also make it. You can also make a tile, a background that will, if you have a tiny picture, this will just this will just fill the space with a bunch of tiles with this picture on it. You can center the image, or you can use the span option. And basically, by choosing different options, you can also select the color of your background. If so, this will be the color of an empty space, unused space, which is normally black. If your image doesn't fit the background. But the other options for wallpaper will be just a solid color. So this is the simplest option that you can choose. This will just apply a single color to your background. The slideshow just speaks for itself. It's simply a slideshow of pictures. For now, these are default Windows background pictures. We can select an album. We can select when we want our pictures to change, for example, every 1 minute. Now we can shuffle the picture order so that they will be randomly appearing in a random order. So we can allow or disallow playing slideshow if the laptop is disconnected from the cable, and we can just as well select the fit of our image and the background color if the image doesn't fit entirely into the screen. We can as well select the Windows Spotlight function, which will just put a random picture on our screen from a Windows Spotlight. So these are basically just images made by Microsoft, and this will be just some random image displayed on your screen. Usually they're pretty beautiful, so you can just go with this option and have a free wallpaper every once in a while. It will also automatically change for you, so this is a great option. And that's basically it. That's how you change wallpaper on your laptop. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.